It's about how you play the game. What's up? My name is Jack and I'm the founder and creator of BizRise.io. So let's take a look at how Skool works. What you're going to do is drive traffic to your Skool community, and that is going to be your engine where you convert that into money. And all you have to do is follow the proven methods to turn that into hopefully a big dollar sign. So let's set a goal. I want you to make $10,000 a month. Now, how are we going to do that? That could be one person at $10,000 a month. That could be 10,000 people at $1 a month. That could be 100 people at $100 a month. There's a lot of ways to do it. But the best part about it is you can do all of them through Skool. Now let's take a look at how Skool works. Each month, users and communities are ranked on the leaderboard. So let's go check out a leaderboard and see what that looks like. Okay. So each month, communities are ranked based on their monthly recurring revenue. Now this is based on growth. So what's important to know about that is even if you don't win one month, you're allowed to participate the next month and the following month, because odds are you're going to probably learn something, improve, grow, and your community wants to be back in that MRR competition. Let's rank on the leaderboards and get you in the top 10. Now, why would you even want to be on the leaderboard? What's the point? Well, besides bragging rights, what about awesome prizes? I mean, who just won a Cybertruck? What else do you need to know? And all you have to do is get 3 paying members in your community, and they unlock all of the trainings from each month of the top 10 communities, giving you the exact path to monetize your skills, hobbies, and interests. On top of that, we're not going to let you do this by yourself, all right? You don't have to make up a new process. We're going to provide you with training, and so will the community, which leads me to my last point. Help each other out. Skool is an amazing platform. It creates engagement and a sense of community with future-forward, like-minded individuals. Work together, share ideas, expand. The point is to grow, scale, and monetize together. Make sure to jump in the community, contribute, make some friends, and get to know each other. You'll be amazed at who you can meet inside of Skool. Now, when I first got started on Skool, I had no idea what I was doing. My ideas were everywhere. I was lost. I didn't know how to really grow and scale a digital business. So you know what I did? I reached out to my community. I reached out to people in other communities. I studied what other successful communities were doing and what was working for them to grow and scale their Skool communities. And what happened when I started to reach out to individuals in my community and other communities within Skool? Well, the best thing about Skool is when you share ideas, you grow yours, you see different perspectives, and everything just gets a little better piece by piece by working together with a community. And what happens when you help out other people is they actually start helping you out in return, and you're going to probably learn more from that. Welcome to Skool Games. Let's get you started.